All right, so today we're going to show you how to load your CZone Digital Switching onto the Garmin MFD. So to do that, we're going to go into settings. We're going to go to My Vessel. We're going to go under switching, and with it being CZone, we're going to go under the CZone tab here. Now we've got to load a config file, so we're going to go under CZone config file. We're going to load from network. That config file is loaded onto the CZone module, so we'll receive that in, we'll download it, and then we're going to back out of here and we're going to go under vessel and we're going to go under our switching. Now the switches are brought in 1 through 15 in this case, but now we're going to go in and we're going to edit those switches. We're going to edit that page, edit switch, and we're going to restore to the default view. That's going to bring in the names of the switches so you can see there that they've changed. Now by doing that, we have to go under the standard generic NEMA switches, which again is My Vessel, switching, NEMA standard, and we're going to hide all these. These are the duplicates from just connecting the NEMA 2000. So now when you go back under switching in My Vessel, you have just the named. Now these are current rocker. You go into switch style, you can do black switches, or if you go back in, you can do silver switches, so you kind of have some ability to play there. You can still go in and you can do a combo, so you could create a custom combination with your chart, and then you could have your switching over here on the side. So now when you go in and you go to that combo, let's try that again. If you add a combo, you can go in, you can put your charts, you can add your switching, and now you've got that combination of both your chart and your switching. Now if you're having issues with the unit, an important functionality is to go under settings and then communication. Because this is NEMA 2000, how it's coming in, you can go to your NEMA 2000 settings in the device list, and you can see everything that is on the NEMA 2000 backbone. And that's how you bring in your digital switching.